Hi everyone, this is update number 2 for my garden. This is my strawberries that I've replanted. This is a herb called balsam copifa that I've replanted around the apple tree. As you guys can see, this is a very old apple tree. It does have some leaves on it, but a lot of the branches are actually dead. That needs to be cut out. Oh, nice. I see the grapevine is starting to make some leaves. That's awesome also. This is also a little flower bed that I did. You guys can see there's a little bit of aloe in there and other hardened plants because the dogs run through here and then they just mess up everything. Oh, and then the big one that I also redid. Those little bulbs that I've replanted, it's called spider lilies. The reason why they call them spider lilies is because when they blossom and they open up, it's a white flower, but they look like a little spider. The 8 little legs. And they open up one by one. It is actually looking awesome if you see them opening up. So yes, you guys know it is springtime now in South Africa and I am busy sorting out my garden. So those are roses that I've put up against the fence. They are growing and crawling up the fence. This noise you guys hear in the background is the monkeys. They are going crazy. And then the big work still starts. This whole, I call it my horseshoe flower bed. This bed, all of it. Hello Brody, say hi to YouTube Brody. All of this needs to be thinned out, sorted out. This is the big work. That one needs to be trimmed again. All these stuff needs to be sorted out and the leaves needs to be raked together and sorted. As you guys can see, that one is very full of flowers. This one almost have nothing in it. And then yeah, up until this tree, and then I need to, and this bed as well. You guys know that one is on the previous video that I did. And then all this also needs to be thinned out, sorted, replanted. As you guys can see now, here it's bushy. I don't like bushy because it grows, it makes babies, it grows, and so this, we call it the bridal bush. It's also blossoming now. And oh yeah, busy watering the garden also. And then yeah, as you guys can see, this needs to be sorted. And then this little flower bed is under my window. I also want to sort this one out. Yeah, and that is my garden update. A lot of work still to do. Unfortunately, I only have time on weekends to do everything. So yeah, it's gonna take me a while, but before winter comes next year, April, May, the garden will be sorted out. Hope you guys enjoy. Take care. Bye.